In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off YouTube Shorts using a brand new feature here on YouTube. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're tired of seeing shorts completely, there's actually an easy way to get rid of them as a part of a brand new YouTube feature. But first, what you need to do is open up your YouTube settings. You can do this just by hitting the little U button down in the bottom right. Then hit the settings gear up in the top right to go to a page that looks like this. Once you're in settings, hit time management, and you're going to see a bunch of different stuff on here. You just need to go down to this daily limits, select short feed limit, and set this to the lowest amount possible. For example, you could put it to 15 minutes, right? And as soon as you put it to 15 minutes, it's going to remove those shorts after being on it for about 15 minutes. There's some people saying there's a 0 minute option on here. That's not a thing. Whoever's saying that is just capping. But if you put it on the lowest setting possible, you'll be good to go. If you ever want them back, essentially you can go ahead and just turn this back on past 15 minutes. But this is essentially a daily limit that you could put on yourself. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.